Good morning, everybody. We are here, 60 degrees outside. It's a little sunny out, not doing too bad. We have, not dark, bro, Michael Allen first in the chat. Dark Bro, very close. You guys, I swear, Dark Bro, Frank, Nick F, and Michael all beat me into the chat this morning. It was absolutely crazy. 775 Bree guy apparently did as well. You guys are fast, man. We got Michael, Dark Bro, Michael, Frank, Dark Bro, 775, Michael's Dark Bro, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. Michael, Dark Bro, Clay Bro, that's me. Dark Bro, Michael, Frank, Dark Bro, Michael, Dark Bro, Michael, Frank, Dark Bro, Michael, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Bree guy, Frank, Bree guy, Frank, Peter, Michael, Dark Bro, Peter, Michael, Dark Bro, Whitreed, Michael, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Whitreed, Bree guy, Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Whitreed, Kombu, and Gorilla. Glad to have all you guys in here this morning. Let's check the market out and see what is going on. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, down 11.5%. Guys, these, I got to show you. Look, it bounced off. It bounced off this stupid line perfectly. Look at this. If you would have, I didn't do it. I wanted to do it, but I didn't do it. If you would have bought puts this morning at the open, when it bounced off this line right here, let me show you how stinking rich you'd be. Let me show you in a second here. After I show you that Shiba Inu coin is doing absolutely nothing. GameStop sitting at $14.85. It is down 1.60%. Bitcoin sitting at 26,697. The Nasdaq is down 1.16% today. Hard loss for the Nasdaq. Dogecoin 5.8 cents. Sorry. Ethereum 1540. Shib 684. Bitcoin 26.6. We've got the SPY sitting at 431. QQQ down 1.22% to 365. Mullen Auto 40 cents. Watch out for Mullen Auto. It's about to hit an all-time low here if it falls down just any lower than it is right now. Sundial sitting at $1.55. Netflix $3.53. Highcroft Mining 28 cents. MPW $5. Tesla is sitting at $2.53, down 2.29% today. Hard day for Netflix or for Tesla. Watch out on that one, guys. Nothing but losses so far this morning. I guarantee Tesla's the put options are printing today. Joby sitting at 618 and TMC 90 cents. Look at this, would you? Look at this. These options right here, off of that technical resistance, that bounce would have been an excellent entry as soon as you saw it going down this morning. Buying these puts. Look at this. Look at this right here. And this is off yesterday's prices. Okay? 55 cents. Do you know what these were trading at this morning? 2 cents. 2 cents. They were trading at 2 cents. Guys, look at this. 2 cents this morning at 10 o'clock. Ripping up to 70 cents. That is a 35x increase. And it happened on a perfect technical rejection off of that resistance level. Oh my gosh. And it can go even higher. If AMC continues to fall today, this can break well above the 70 cents. I mean, you are talking massive 35x gains here. Going from 2 cents to 70 cents. Off a perfect technical rejection. I cannot believe how great of an entry and how easy of an entry that would have been right there. Phenomenal. If anybody bought AMC puts today based on that technical setup right there, please let us know, because you have got to be rolling in the dough right now. Shiba Inu coin, on the other hand, doing absolutely nothing, ticking dead sideways. I'm telling you, Shib is not looking too hot at the moment, man. But we're going to keep AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen and watch that bad boy today, see if it breaks down any further and if those puts make any more money. Knowing that it's sitting at $9.66 right now. $9.34 lows on the day today. Another 30 cent decline there. And people are going to be making some massive gains. Even as we are right now. I mean, if it just drops from here, you're basically going to be doubling your money in those puts if it continues to come down. So watch out for it, man. I got in when it hit the lowest dip. Talking about Pulse Swap? What are you talking about? I know I forgot something. Robbie, good morning to you, Robbie. Kombu, boom, baby kombucha. Oh, yes. Clear, bro. Check out Pulse Swap. Let's take a look at it. Pulse Swap is, that's Queenie's coin, right? Crypto price action is depressing, but I was expecting the worst to be behind us by December, but I expect the worst to be behind us by December, January. Yeah, old rounder, man. I absolutely hope so. The worst may actually already be behind us. Okay. Now, of course, if we go into some sort of a World War III scenario, things could get worse. Yeah. But yeah, dude, I expect that the worst may already be behind us. And we just got to deal with the negativity of the price action right now. All right. Pulse swap. You got to come out here to pulse swap. P-A-W, ladies and gentlemen. Pulse swap. 21% gain on the day today. Not bad at all for pulse swap. Pulse swap sitting here up 21% on the day. Beautiful gains. Wow, man. Wow. 27% gain on the week there, not bad. On the month, a 32% gain, and it's still up 99% of the year, not bad. 100% gain, and much higher highs could be hit if the excitement jumps back on. Dude, I'm almost positive with a Certic security score of 91.88, I'm almost positive that that's higher than Shiba Inu coin's security score right now. I thought Shiba Inu coin dropped down to either 92 or in the 80s. Can you check that? Yeah, Pulsar's got a better security score than Shiba Inu coin does. Wow, man. Security score of 90.39. Pulsar's got a higher security score than Shiba Inu coin does. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. Community trust, 93%. All right, fundamentals health is dropping right here, guys. Code security 93, operational resilience 92, governance strength 94. There's no governance on Shiba Inu coin. Pretty crazy. The good news is it's still top 10th percentile. Eight major, and resolved issues there. That's good. They do seem to be resolving a lot of the issues that Certic had with them. Dang, man, 73 score on fundamental health. Total transactions in Shib is only 12,000 over the last 7 days. Dude, what are the vast majority of users doing in Africa and in Europe? What? That's weird. It's really weird to me. I want to see another coin. Let's just go back to Paul Swap for a second. Okay, vast majority of users in Pulse Swap are from Western North America. I would expect that a little bit more. Russia. What? Well, it uses Russia and China for Pulse Swap? Yeah, it's still quite a bit in Africa here. Interesting. I did not know so many people in Africa used cryptocurrency. Just like KTO. Yes, she was, Dark Bro. I thought you can't alter Shiba Inu. How does one security score change if you can't alter the tokenomics? I have no idea, JB. I have no idea. I do know that its security score went down But it may, and I don't know, that was a specific security score that was down there, so I don't know that part. The overall score, I can see the overall score falling if fundamentals begin to fall there, and I don't know if security takes into consideration the fundamentals or anything else like that. So those, I would imagine it could fall if it does take into consideration fundamental health. Let's see. Security score evaluates a project's real-time security posture using on-chain and off-chain data. All right, well, we could go in and learn more if you guys want to learn more. But I don't know how. I don't know everything that it takes into consideration. But yeah, dude, if fundamental health drops all the way down to a 73, that would drop the security score. But fundamental health takes into consideration. There's no KYC status for Shiba Inu coin. Oh my gosh. Third-party KYC. Nope. Nobody knows who any of the developers are for Shiba Inu coin. Gosh, dude. Project owner, let's build. I should claim Shiba Inu coin. Why not? I should claim Shiba Inu coin. I would actually have more claim to Shib than Satoshi does. Wouldn't it be something, dude, if I went in and I claimed this here, it says let's build. Project owner, yeah, let's build. Wouldn't it be something if I went in there and claimed Shiba Inu coin is my project, and then I tricked everybody into thinking that I was Satoshi? Oh gosh, that would actually be pretty funny. I think that would be pretty sweet. Peter, if so, I'm dropping money on Elmo. What did he say? Talking to Queenie, apparently talking for an Elmo doing a collab. Peter, if she does jump into Elmo, yeah, I'll do a collaborate. I will jump into Elmo as well. Anything that Queenie touches, 10x's. Okay? Anything that Queenie touches, 10x's. If she's going to be jumping into Elmo, I'm jumping into Elmo. Facts, dude. Facts. It's just, it's going to be, it is what it is. I'm jumping into Elmo if she jumps in. Keep an eye on that, Peter. Keep an eye on that and let us know. Love seeing a map of crypto adoption across the world. It is beautiful, 775 Brie guy, isn't it? Probably, Whitreed, that actually might be true. That actually might be true. I didn't even think of that. That was a genius move there, dude. That was a genius move. People could be using a lot of VPNs over here into West African. What the heck just happened? All right, well, I don't know why it loaded to a different page here, but you guys get it. And it very well could be U.S. is getting kicked out of buying and selling coins like Pulsar. So let's VPN over into Africa. Yeah, Whitreed, I think Whitreed hit that one right on the head. Good call on that one, Whit. Oh, great. That means pump and rug. And take advantage of it, Kombu. Dark, I think it may have something to do with the game they're developing. Saying they're from Africa. Yeah, Whitreed, I think you got it, man. Kombu, I don't even care. I just want the Queenie effect. Me too. Yeah, I didn't realize fundamental health when it was Ceratic audit. I guess it does, JB. I guess it does. I didn't realize it did either. Let's all buy on Rug Queenie. No, man, don't Rug Queenie. Just get out after you've seen the 8, 9, 10x. All right? Don't believe she's going to get it any more than that. She's talked about 3 coins. She shilled 3 coins. And all 3 of the coins that she shilled, 10x. Dead serious. All 3 of them. Pulsar 10x, KTO 10x, and Shiba Inu coin 10x. If Queenie touches Elmo, I guarantee you... Well, I can't say guarantee because somebody in here is really going to believe that it's a guarantee. If Queenie touches Elmo and does anything that she did with the other 3 tokens, you are going to be seeing a 10x gain on Elmo. Claytoshi Bromonto. Yes, that is me, man. Forget Shitoshi Kasama. I am Claytoshi Bromonoto. Woohoo! I like it. Sup, sup, Clay? What's going on, Bronson? I'm having another great put option day. I bought $369 puts at 1014. Still holding. Been watching the Microsoft, Tesla, and Meta to get my exit spot. Pow, 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 pow. Bronson, killing it. You know what you should be watching? AMC, dude. AMC. Dude, look at these put options on AMC today. 13,000. They were up a lot better than that. They moved from 2 cents to 75 cents. Was it 70 or 75? I don't even know. They moved from 2 cents to 70 cents today. Phenomenal, dude. Don't miss out on AMC options. They were killing it today. QQQ options, killing it today as well. Up 270. Where's he at with the 369? It's 275% gains there. Hopefully you're taking advantage of a lot of it, man. I don't know if you're going to be getting the 10x gains that you had yesterday, but if you pull up the chart right here, killing it, dude. You're talking 259. I don't know. You're in this area right here. Right before the rip. Yeah, jumping in. Okay. Okay, you're getting in this area, I think. Right in here. 225. Dude, you almost doubled your money already, man. Right home about it. Right home about it. Absolutely destroying these trades, Bronson. Looking very, very good, sir. Looking very, very good. Claybro, Monday is the day. Yield max dividend payout date. Boom. Frank is going to be rich. Frank, you still viewing him as a payout, or are you beginning to view him as a redistribution of your own portfolio? I forgot to click this earlier. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, good morning, Clay. I trust with the world falling apart around us, the bros are hanging in there. Guys, are you hanging in there? I'm hanging in there. I really do. Let me know if you guys are hanging in there right now. Please send my best regards and a little bit of a dilly-dilly to everyone, but especially Michael Allen. Pff, dilly-dilly. Thank you very much, Pat, for the authorized hydration. Absolutely love it, man. And I know you're probably not in here right now, but I sincerely appreciate it. Dude, sending super chats directly through Streamlabs. They still show up, guys. You can throw them on the screen right there. And I like it, man. I like it. Pat, thank you very much for that super chat. And let me know, seriously, guys, if you're holding in there, if some of you guys are feeling upset or anxious or anything about it, know that you've got 18 brothers standing right around you right now that believe in you, want to lift you up, and want to see you do better. Coming down, Pat Broski. Oh, yeah. Dark Bro already knows. Clay, it's Claudio from Brazil. Yes. Yes. Unless you... Okay, yeah. I got this stupid heart on the bottom of my screen, and I didn't know if you put like a city in there or what, because it covers up half the words. So I really appreciate it if you guys keep the chat going a little bit faster, because I can read like the second to last chat full. I don't know why Streamlabs puts this dumb little heart here, because I can't even react to the comments through Streamlabs. I have to go directly through YouTube. So, yes, Claudio is from Brazil, Bree Guy. I believe he lives in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Hanging by a 20-year-old climbing rope that I should have replaced 15 years ago. Oh, Kombu, man. Oh, this guy. Oh, Kombu. If we don't hear from you this afternoon, man, we're obviously going to know what's going on. But, hey, it's got to get your blood pumping somehow, Kombu. Got to get your blood pumping somehow. And if you're hanging by a 20-year-old climbing rope should have replaced 15 years ago, test it, man. Test it. It's faulty equipment. It might have a 20-year warranty on it. And something happens, you're going to be good to go. I don't know. Now, listen, that might be fraud. Don't test a 20-year-old climbing rope and put your life. Probably can't tell you to put your life in danger, and testing a 20-year-old climbing rope would probably put your life in danger. So, Kombu, be safe, my man. Looking at it mathematically, it's lining up as about a 10 to 15% redistribution, 85 to 90% dividend earnings. Over time, those numbers will get better and more accurate. I swear if there isn't already a crypto book for dummies, there's gonna be. And it's gonna have our faces all over it. Yes, it will, Dark Bro. Yes, it will. I don't think that rope is dynamic anymore. Don't test it. Test it. If JB says don't test it and I say test it, I want to know what you guys say. There's 21 of you in here. Get your votes out right now. A test it or a don't test it. Test it or don't test it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm saying test it, Kombu, or test it, Kombu. And JB's saying don't test it, Kombu. Don't test it. Let's see what you guys say on that one. So I heard you can pay most of your bills with XRP. That includes utilities, city fines, cell phone bills with Ripple. Yeah, you can do that with a lot of cryptocurrencies through different payment platforms, though, Bree Guy. I don't know if what you're discussing is like a direct acceptance of XRP by the utilities, or if you're talking about still using a payment provider like FlexPay or Flexa, or there's like FCF or FCP or something like that. So there's a lot of payment providers that allow you to use cryptocurrency. Not exactly sure if that's it, or if they're going directly through the utility companies, which would be sweet. Supposed to switch out new for every 4 years. You're like me, man. You're like me. You're putting it to the ultimate test. Tested, bro. YOLO. Darkville said tested. Peter said tested XRP payments in Brazil. Yeah, so, and you know, I don't know if Claudio is in here or not right now, but Ripple's got headquarters in, or I should say a corporate office. I believe their headquarters are either in London or LA, but they get a corporate office in Sao Paulo too. So they are all over, and they get a decent presence down there in Brazil. So yeah, man, XRP and Ripple are probably, I would say, heavily utilized down there. XRP payments, yeah, so 775 Brie guy. I would imagine that they do, but I don't know if it's just corporate or if you can actually utilize it down there as a consumer. So I do know for a fact that they have an office in Sao Paulo, but I don't know if it's just, well, we can see if we can find it here, right? Ripple office locations. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Come on, pull it up. All right, you guys can see that, right? All right, sweet. Experience a worldwide opportunity. Yes. Where are they? Okay, so they got offices in London, Dubai, Sydney, San Francisco, Mumbai, Washington, New York, Reykjavik, Sao Paulo, Singapore, Washington. They got 15 offices. I don't know why they're scrolling and like making you look like that. I swear I didn't just read 15, but maybe I did. These are all the locations that they got all across the globe. Basically every major city, man. They got East Coast, West Coast of the United States. They got offices in Australia, Dubai, London, Sao Paulo, wherever the heck Reykjavik is. I don't know where this is. Do you guys know where Reykjavik is at? I don't know where that's at. Mumbai, London. Yeah, they got them all over the place. So I'd imagine they do have a pretty strong presence in Brazil, knowing that they got a corporate office down there in a major city. A city that is actually bigger than New York City. So it's a pretty good sign that they're doing well down there. Question, KYC the rope? Need to check those fundamentals. Facts on that, Peter. He did not. He only knows the birth date of that rope, and it's 20 years old. He doesn't know the fundamentals of the rope. Therefore, it's YOLO, baby. YOLO. Peter, yeah, you always got to ask the KYC on those ropes. But it would be a KYR, right? A know your rope? I think it would be a know your rope, man. You got a KYR. Capital Vicent. Ah, yes it is. Yes it is, Frank. Now I remember. It is. Frank would know that, though. Frank would know that. I have no doubt in my mind that Frank knows that. Okay. To say, going to a more serious note, I need everyone to pray for my sister-in-law. She's having another child, and that kid has a lot of issues right now. Just pray for the absolutely. Dark bro, man. Absolutely. You got a bunch of bros in here that are going to lift you up, man. So, you got that 100%, dude. Don't even need to ask twice, man. You got it. When exactly is the deadline for the Grayscale ETF decision? Malcolm. I don't know the exact date. I honestly forget when the court made that decision that the SEC has to come out there and make that decision 45 days. My best guess is that it's either going to be like right at the end of October or beginning of November. I forget when the court issued that decision for the 45 days. But my best guess, I know there was sometime in September. And I think it was the second half of September. So my best guess is that it's either going to be the very end of October or beginning of November there. I just don't know. I don't know the exact date. If anybody else knows the exact date, please help Malcolm out there. Bitcoin chart. Oh, we got a Bitcoin chart down at the bottom left right now. Bitcoin sitting at 26,746 on the daily. Look at it. On the daily, it's still coming down, but what do you notice, man? It is finding support in this area right here that we discussed with PS5 yesterday. Got a little bit of support in this area. Found it here. Coming down, testing. Coming down, testing. Coming down, testing. 3 days in a row, unable to break through this tiny little support area. Of course, if it does break, I think it'll be touching 26, possibly even 25. So just keep an eye out for that. You can see another $700 decline very, very quickly on Bitcoin if it breaks down through the current level of support that you've got. Shiba Inu coin dead sideways, ladies and gentlemen. Bro, what's your real position in Shib? It's dead. Mr. Munchkin, what do you mean? What's my real position in Shib? That it's dead? Is that a question, or are you asking me and you're stating that it's dead? Right now, dude, I agree with you, right? The price action is dead on Shib. If I didn't own Shiba Inu coin right now, dude, I would not be buying a coin that looks like this. I wouldn't. I would not be buying a coin that looks like this right here. This is dead price action. This is dead price action. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's moving. Dogecoin is even moving. Ethereum is moving. And then you've got Shiba Inu coin sitting here looking like this. I wouldn't buy a stock that looks like this, and I wouldn't buy a crypto that looks like this. But I do still hold Shiba Inu coin. Now, I don't believe that Shiba Inu coin is dead in the sense that the community has given up on it. I believe that Shiba Inu coin's price action is dead right now. But it's almost like a zombie type of dead, dude. I absolutely believe that when things kick back up, Shiba Inu coin can kick back up as well. As far as like my position, I don't know if you're talking about that or if you're talking about how much I own. I do own Shiba Inu coin. I've not shaved my Shiba Inu coin in quite a while. It's been since all the Shibarium hype. And my current position currently sits around, I think it's like 980 points. I don't know if it's exactly 980 or where. It's not something that I look at every single day and necessarily worry about because, of course, I can see the current price every single day as we sit here and watch it on the screen. I just don't look at my position every day. Let's see. I will know the rope very well. We've climbed literally thousands of trees together. She has held my life through many a scares. Dang, dude. Scares. What are you, falling out of trees, Kombu? Stop falling out of trees, man. Sorry, the dog praying for your baby and your sister-in-law. Absolutely, man. Kombu rope fund? Heck yeah, Kombu does need a new rope fund. Whatever happened to Edward Kim? Did he give up on the AI project? K King. I do not know. I have not seen Ed post anything, and he very well could have. Don't forget, man, those guys were in charge of like a $75,000 Terra Luna Classic, what was it called? I don't know, was that like the foundation grant or the Lunk Grant Foundation or whatever it was where they could go in and him and a couple other people could approve grants to people that were building on Terra Luna Classic. Don't ever forget that you guys gave that dude I think it was $75,000. I could be wrong. But don't forget, man, that you guys gave that dude some serious money to build with Terra Luna Classic there. I don't know if he closed it out, if he sold it, if they're still sitting on it, or what the deal is. But I haven't seen anything from Edward Kim in a very long time. Let's see. I know it's dead. Why pump shit? No. So, Mr. Munchkin, I think you guys intend or interpret my videos incorrectly. I have no intentions of pumping Shiba Inu coin. I have no intentions of pumping Terra Luna Classic or trying at all to drive the prices higher. I think your real question, instead of why pump Shib, I think your real question is why do you make so many Shiba Inu coin videos? The vast majority of the people that subscribe to my channel subscribed for Shiba Inu coin videos. And Shiba Inu coin videos, for a variety of reasons. Number one, because it's the most concentrated viewer on my channel. But also number two, it is still one of the highest regarded coins in terms of social media engagement. People love the Shiba Inu coin kind of social media life. And dude, I could make a video on how I think 8 balls are cool, but if nobody's gonna watch it, unless I'm really passionate about 8 balls, I'm not gonna make that video. I like finance, okay? I like stocks, I like crypto, I like money, I like lines on the chart, going up and going down. I love the idea of being able to click a button and then make or lose money. I think that that is phenomenal. So if people want to hear about Shiba Inu coin right now, people are going to hear about Shiba Inu coin right now. If people want to hear about, I don't know, Bro coin, Elmo coin, Ring Light coin, if they want to hear about something different in the future, they're going to hear about something different in the future. As long as I can stay committed to something that I enjoy talking about. Growing projects, financial stability and instability, lines on a graph, technical analysis, all of that stuff, I'm happy with it. So I could talk about Bitcoin, dude, but if I'm going to get 400 views on a Bitcoin video and 3,000 views on a Shiba Inu coin video, there is a certain sense of, like, you know, don't abandon or turn your back on those that support you and want to watch. You got to kind of, I don't know, walk that fine line. But it's not intended to pump Shib in any way, man. Clay Bro, for those looking for a nice dividend yield on the monthly, research High from Simplify, the company that bought out SVOL Research, not financial advice. Yes, guys, make sure to check out High if you want to check out High, and nothing is ever financial advice. I will only buy XRP now. Shiba Inu is soon bad now. Yeah, Claudio, man, you're right. I mean, dude, look at the chart. That chart says don't buy me right there. I agree with that all day. Shibarium breaking milestones daily, at least. That's what the articles I read recently. Dude, it is every single day that milestones are being broken, that we're down to daily transactions, man. I don't exactly know where we're at. Let's see where we're at here. Where's Shibarium? I think it's right here. Daily transactions have bottomed around 10,000. So this is, I think... yeah. Daily transactions are sitting at about 10,000 transactions per day. Do not forget, guys. We need like 5.5 quadrillion transactions. Somebody do the math on that. Pull up your calculator. Let's just do 6. What's 6 quadrillion divided by 10,000? I don't even know. Well, 6,000. Okay, 6 quadrillion divided by 1,000 would give you 6 trillion. 10,000 would give you 600 billion. 600 billion days. What? Is that right? 6 quadrillion divided by 1,000 gives you 6 trillion. Divide that by 10, and you've got 600 billion. What the heck? 600 billion days? 600 billion days? Dude, the Earth isn't even 600 billion years old, man. We gotta wait 600 billion days before we burn our first Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium. What? Oh my gosh. No thanks, man. No thanks. I ain't doing none of that. Not gonna happen. Oh gosh. Dark Bro, love and many prayers heading your family's way. Thank you, Gen G. Absolutely. I'm keeping my Shiba and buying more on the dip. Geopad, I love it, man. I love it. When Shiba rips, you're gonna be doing very well. Yeah, Dark Bro, big thick work rope. They like to tangle. Tell her hit me up. What are we talking about now? The rope's gonna be hitting you up, Kombu? I don't even know. Hit me with an ad, Clay. Oh, let's go me. You're getting an ad, dude. You're getting an ad. Guys, let me know if you get one. Or you're gonna get 2 ads if you do it. Skip the second one. Skip the second one. Brocoin needs to become a movement on real fundamentals of honesty and transparency. And it absolutely could, man. It could just simply be a meme coin. And it could still do the same thing. You got it. The eyes are on the prize. Munchkin, perfect, man. If one person takes charge and approving validators, then there's one person in charge. Therefore, my friend, Shiba is not decentralized. The ecosystem is not decentralized. That's the differential that people need to understand. You are 100% correct, Bree Guy, that the ecosystem is solely centralized. Shiba Inu coin. Dude, Shiba Inu coin, nobody owns Shib. No, literally nobody can control what happens with Shiba Inu coin. Contracts were announced, man. All the coins are out there. It's just whatever happens, happens. With Shiba Inu coin, nobody can make a determination to issue more, to issue less, to change a tax, anything like that. Shib is decentralized. The ecosystem is solely centralized. The calculator does not go that high. Yeah, Josh, 600 billion days. 600 billion days divided by 100. 600 billion days divided by 100 is going to give you 6 billion years. Divide that by 3. 2 billion years to burn our first Shib. Roughly 1.5 to 2 billion years. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. 2 billion years, man. No thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna happen. Was hoping it would be a community build instead of what it is. Just my opinion. I'm talking about Brocoin, man. That's what you're talking about. We'll be fine. Something, yes. Broski, what's going on, Anthony? How you doing, man? Bitcoin pump. Bitcoin is throwing a couple green lines on the screen right. Oh, that's Ethereum. Bitcoin is throwing a couple green lines on the screen right now. 26,781, up about $100 over the last, 5 minutes here. Not a bad move on Bitcoin. Egyptians built the pyramid in 600 billion years, right? Yeah, that's all it took them. 600 billion years, dude. We could do it too. God, Nad, only 3 seconds long though. What is a 3-second long ad, man? I don't even know how that's possible, CD Whip. Thank you very much for watching a 3-second ad. Honestly, it doesn't matter how long the ads are. As long as you guys click skip on an ad, boom! That's about 1/3 of a cent to 1/2 of a cent, and I cannot say thank you enough. It should be a community build and not in the hands of one person. My skepticism is high about how it was handled in the first place. I said what I said. Yes, Clever. I think as you burn more relative to time, you will gain a gradually increased arc that may someday, maybe in a few decades, start going parabolic. We talking about Shiba Inu coin? If you're talking about Shiba Inu coin in the burns, I still think you're right. As long as you can keep that commitment, there should be an exponential increase in the demand or the burns that are out there. However, with that being said, and I'm not sure if I'm going on the right tangent with you or not right now, but with that being said, you would theoretically hope that the price increases as well. Therefore, burns should decrease. Unless, of course, they exponentially kind of pull away from the increase in price. So think about it. If burns were increasing and they doubled over time and price doubled over time, what you would actually be seeing is burns remaining steady. So you would need an exponential, curve on burns, but not on price if you really wanted to see burns continuing to pull away or jump up like that, which is going to make it difficult, and a lot of people don't take the price action into consideration there. Wow, that's nuts. Mike. Yeah, it is nuts, dude. If you're talking about 2 billion years, it's actually crazy. No offense, but Bitcoin is going to need some kind of mechanism programmed into it for me to buy it. I won't buy it if it's just a meme coin. Old rounder. What kind of mechanism, though? What kind? You know, I try to think all the time about some stuff that would be cool, but let's put it this way. Because I'm not a developer or a programmer, I actually don't really understand all of the possibilities that are out there either. I do believe that my lack of coding skills kind of takes away from my ability to create, because I don't know what's possible. Theoretically, anything should be possible. But I don't even know where to start with it either, because I don't know what is possible and what's impossible. So, dude, if you got any ideas already, they'll be like, oh, yeah, I definitely buy that then. Dude, let us know. Let us know. Hey, Clay, bro, DC fan for life. What's going on, man? 1/3 of a cent. 600 billion days to Clay, bro, Lambo. Boom, baby. And the crazy thing is, 1/3 of a cent, 1/3 of a cent is still about, 60 million times higher Yeah. Maybe more. 60 million times higher than what is being burnt on Shibarium transactions. That's nuts, dude. That's nuts. 60 million times higher than what's being burnt on Shibarium transactions. Gotta go! Management meetings. Moji, nobody likes meetings, but thank you very much for being in here. Appreciate you coming in, smashing that like, and just bestowing your presence upon us. Yes, Shib, you would gain a gradient arc. The price maintaining or increasing will accomplish it. Well, I hope so, man. I hope so. So apparently the deadline for the SEC to appeal in Grayscale ETF is midnight today. Oh! So it was the beginning of September that they made that decision then. I thought it was the middle of September. Interesting. Malcolm, that I did not know, man. That I did not know. I thought that it was the middle of September, but I guess it was the beginning of September when the court came out with that decision there. That would be phenomenal if we got a decision tonight, man. That would be phenomenal. Especially if it was a decision for yes. If it's a decision for no, that they're not going to approve it, well, we're still in the exact same situation that we're currently in. We might see another downfall. We might see prices go a little lower, but life moves on, and the situation really hasn't changed. Yes, but the market would have to get $100 trillion market cap. Then maybe that would start to work. Yeah, but Mike, I don't think we're going to see a $100 trillion market cap. I really don't. The stock market's been around how long? And we're sitting on like a 40 to 50 at any given time, $40 to $50 trillion valuation on all of the stocks on the U.S. stock market. I think it would be very, 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 very difficult to get a $100 trillion market cap in cryptocurrencies, even though it's global. I still think it would be very difficult. I think one of these days we need to have a real brainstorming session. Yes, we do, man. I would think so as well. As a group, and not one person working behind a door. Yes, and working in front of a camera. One person can work in front of a camera, and everybody else works, well, behind your phones and just throws out brainstorm ideas. Shib Association is sounding promising if they can get enough people using it. Yeah, and next level, I don't even really think that they need millions of users or tens of thousands of transactions a day like Shibarium is seeing here. You know, if you think about it, dude, now they're starting to talk about minimum. Oh my gosh. Don't get started with the allergies. Now they're starting to talk about the possibility for 10-cent or 50-cent transaction fees. Dude, if there's a 10-cent, 15, 20, 50-cent burn on every transaction, and they have 10,000 transactions a day, like Shibarium's doing right now, it's $500 a day, man. No, that's $5,000 a day that they'd be burning at 50 cents. If it's 10 cents, that's $1,000 a day that they'd be burning. Those are phenomenal numbers, man. So I do hope that it is successful. I don't, people always want to burn trillions, and they think we're going to be burning millions of dollars a day and stuff like that. I mean, that's dead near impossible. You'd have to be as big as like Walmart to be burning those types of numbers there. So I think that any burns are going to be better than no burns. But yeah, dude, if you're looking at 10, 15, 20, 50 cent transaction fees with half of them dedicated to burns, things are going to be looking very good. Indeed, Bree Guy. We got the supporters voice chat. Oh, you do have the supporters voice chat, actually. Price would be... Darn it, you guys got to keep the chat going faster. I can't see what next level said there. Price would be something. Go up with the burns like that. Keep the chat going, guys. I don't know what you're doing right now. I do want to see. So, Peter, I think it was Peter, talked about Queenie. I want to see if Queenie has said anything about Elmo. October 9th. KTO still. KTO and Paul. KTO, this is 3 hours, man. She's got a lot of tweets, dude. KTO. KTO, Paul Swap, KTO. What is this? Oh, so this is Elmo's in all of these things. Okay. So this is what Peter's talking about here. KTO Exchange is proud to announce our first beta is around the corner, and we'll be doing a special space with our featured token partnerships. Paul Chain, whatever the heck Kiwami is, Aviator, Delta Flare, and the real Elmo ERC. Gotcha. So I don't know if it's necessarily Queenie partnering with Elmo, or if KTO Exchange is just going to be listing Elmo. Might be that KTO Exchange is just listing Elmo there, but let's see. Did they change their logo? Looks like they changed their logo here. Is this the real Elmo? Yeah, it seems to be. Well, the good news is Elmo does seem to be putting some decent support down in this area right here. It's basically at the place that it launched. A 1.93% loss all time. It's really not that bad. Sitting at half a cent right now. And the all-time highs would take it to a 6x gain. So there's a big buy competition. What do we got here? Big buy competition. This is directly from Elmo. Let's celebrate the new logo. Okay, so they do have a new logo. With a big buy competition, the highest 3 buys till Sunday. We'll get a big Elmo airdrop on top. Ooh, 20% extra Elmo airdrop. Someone taking the big buy competition seriously. Wow. Wonder what these guys are buying here. Transfers. What do we got? Yeah, they're buying a lot, man. 100,000, 100,000, 21,000, 37,000. This guy's got $30,000 worth of Elmo. $10,000 worth of Elmo. How's this guy been? Is Elmo really been out for 117 days? It's pretty wild. I guess it has. 140 days. Elmo's been out for 6 months already. This guy with $40,000 worth of Elmo. That seems to be a contract. Oh, this dude's done nothing but buy Elmo. Wow. This dude's loading up. Yeah, I don't know. So I don't know if Queenie's going to be touching Elmo or not. But it seems like KTO Exchange is going to be listing Elmo there. I think one of these days, brainstorming, absolutely, you got that. Ship price would definitely go up then with burns like that. Dude, I hope it does, man. I hope Ship goes up for any reason. Oh, that Atlas Earth game I was talking about a month ago. Current earnings are $2.62. Nice. Frank, did you have to hit a certain threshold before you can cash out? I forgot. Have you watched Dumb Money yet? Shiba Inu, I've not watched Dumb Money yet, man. Have you? So the real question is, when Elmo Moon? Dark Brawler, that's the question on everybody's mind, man. KTO Rug, I hope it's not. But what we have seen in the past, okay, with KTO, Shiba Inu coin, and Pulsar. Queenie enters Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin 10x's, and is obviously back down 90+% right now. KTO, Pulsar was probably next. Pulsar, 10x's. Falls back down to essentially where it was. KTO, 10x's, falls back down to where it was. Every coin that Queenie touches 10x's and then falls back down to where it was. So, yeah, man, I don't know if it's a rug. I don't know if any of that stuff's true. But what I do know is that any coin that Queenie touches does see a 10x gain before coming back down. Corda R3 thoughts. 775 Bree guy. I still don't know anything about Corda and R3. Let's see if we can pull it up here. Is it a pre-sale? I still don't know where to find it, man. I'm looking on CoinMarketCap for it right now, and I don't know where to find this coin that you're talking about. I'd love to look it up because I know you've mentioned it several times, but I have no idea where to find it. 90,000 worth at the top. Yeah, I don't know if that was a wallet or if that was an exchange, Josh. That's kind of crazy, though. Wow, people really putting that much money into Elmo. It's nuts, dude. It's nuts. I hope they got a lot of money in crypto, or they made a lot of money in the last few crypto runs. But yeah, dude, some people got tens of thousands of dollars worth of Elmo coin out there. Crazy, isn't it? Got like 350 I could throw at it. Next level. Let's get started. Clip, bro, check a Discord DM. Boom, 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 boom. Discord DM right there. Look what I found in, oh geez, bro coin. Functions that can suspend trading. Very, very interesting. If a suspendable code is included, the token may neither be bought nor sold. Honeypot risk. Where'd you get the contract address, Dark Bro, to know that that is the bro coin? Is contract address out there? Can you already buy bro coin? Can you already purchase it? Oh boy, $5. Frank. Okay, $5. So, dude, 2 months, you might be able to make $5. Do you make more and more as time goes on, or are you pretty much stuck at that right there? Good luck. 775 Bree guy. Me or somebody else? I missed part of the conversations, guys, and then I fall a little bit behind. Yeah, movie was good, but since I wasn't paying attention to GameStop at that time, I was curious how accurate the movie was. Okay, gotcha, Shiba Inu, man. I'll say this, right? I did pay a lot of attention to GameStop, but nowhere near the attention that I paid to AMC. Okay, if they made a movie specifically about AMC, dude, the same way that I would feel extremely confident that I know almost everything going on with Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu coin right now, I know everything that went on. Not everything going on right now. I've given it much less attention after Adam Aaron ruined the thing. But dude, back in 2021 into 2022, there was not an article written, not a tweet posted, not a single financial that or price move on the chart that I didn't talk about either in the live streams, in videos, or just read on my own. I would be able to tell you about the accuracy of anything going on with AMC, but I don't know if I could do the same for GameStop. But yeah, dude, there's a lot of people that were extremely committed to those. Look on X, that's the only. Also a web. Alright, I've only found them on X and the web. I got it from the blockchain. Okay, found it, traced, and back to the wallets, and a few other things. Increase longer you play. Alright, good deal, Frank. I hope it kicks up so you're making $5 a week pretty soon. Who would play trade trades? Dude, who would play me? Let's go with that one. Who would play me? That's the question. And I remember all of the responses from way back in the day. You guys are very nice on who would play me. I want to know who you guys think. And then I'll tell you some of the ones that I'll tell you what my brother said on who would play me in terms of that movie. Who he thinks would play me there. I don't know what you guys think. Trades, I mean, I don't know who would play him. You guys can get that out there if you want, or Mac Horrors, you guys could do that. But let me know what you guys think on who would play me in an AMC movie. Or Shiba Inu coin movie. Obviously, it doesn't matter what the movie was. I just want to know who you think would play me. With that being said, let's see if I can come out to X and see Corda or R3. I don't know, man. I type in R3 and I got like Russell Brand and Meet Kevin and Trump. I don't know why those are showing up when you type in R3, but I still can't even find anything in terms of R3, man. Bizarre, dude. 775 Bree guy. You still got me, man. I don't know how to find it. Someone got some explaining to do. Yeah, well, I guess the explanation would be if things get out of hand, we can still stop them from trading. Joseph Gordon-Levitt equals Clay wrote. A lot of people said that, Josh. A lot of people said that. A lot of people think that I look like that guy. I've actually had somebody at Home Depot tell me that I look like that guy before. Timothy Chalamet, is that the dude that Chris always says? Is that the dude that Chris always says? Morgan Freeman, he says. Oh, who is this guy? This guy, huh? This is not who Chris says. You talking this guy right here? All right. I'll go for it. He's got a little longer hair, but I'll go for that right there. Not bad. That'd be funny. Morgan Freeman. Zac Efron. Oh, I like Zac Efron, man. That would be a good one there. Bob Denver. Who the heck is Bob Denver? Is this Gilligan? Oh, no. Hey, that's pretty accurate, dude. If we could travel back in time, that's pretty accurate right there, man. I'd get on with that one. Mark Wahlberg. There you go. Ryan Reynolds. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean would be a pretty good one. Elliot Page. Now that, she's a dude. What? Elliot Page, now that she's a dude. What? I don't know about that. Bro, you know, okay, well, I do now. Paul Rudd. What do you guys think about Paul Rudd? My brother used to say Paul Rudd would have to play me. Timothy is banging one. Oh my god. Oh, is that so? I did not know about that. Shiba Inu, thank you very much for informing me that was taking place right there. I had no idea. So, this guy right here seems to be doing pretty well for himself at the moment. Paul Rudd's he says Paul Rudd's a maybe. Paul Rudd's all right, well, dude, I'll go with the maybe. I mean, you guys are the casting directors. You can fight amongst yourselves and brainstorm on who to get cast for Clay Bro in the AMC movie that is yet to be announced and yet to be written. I like Paul Rudd. The dude is funny. I do like Paul Rudd as well, man. Ryan Reynolds. I do think Ryan Reynolds is pretty funny as well. I like Ryan Reynolds, man. You guys. Ezra Miller. Where in the world do you guys come up with all of these people? Okay, The Flash. Ezra Miller. He's got dark hair. Okay. Go with dark hair on that one. Acceptable. I'll take that. Take it as well. Let's get Clay a Gilligan hat. Let's do it, man. I'm losing my wrench now. No, you're not, Dark Bro. It's alright. It's from the Ellen page from Inception. The girl that was in Inception? It is 1 o'clock. Get your guys' names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs and then we will be back this afternoon. We're going to be back this afternoon. We're going to enjoy this Friday. Beautiful day. Make sure to get you guys' names in the chat right now. And, yes. And then we're going to be enjoying the entire weekend. All right, guys. We've got Dark Bro Thank you very much for being in here, Dark Bro. Next level, Dark Bro, Geopad, Dark Bro, Josh, man. See you later, Josh. Next level, Dark Bro. Did you say that I was gonna, hold on. This dude says that I was gonna get, now I just put 2 and 2 together. He said that's who is gonna be cast as Clay Bro in the AMC movie. Oh, dude. Dark Bro is worried about getting his blue wrench taken away. Josh is Josh is gonna get a straight ban in between the live streams here. Josh, you better check and see if you're allowed to come back in the afternoon live stream. Now I realize what actually was going on there. Next level, Bree Guy, Geopet, Josh, next level, Robbie, Mr. Munchkin, enjoy it, dude. Mike, see you later, man. Old Rounder, Aiden, peace out. TWB, Liz, see you later. Munchkin, see you. Next level, Geoped, Kombu, J-Bones, baby. What's going on, J-Bones? Glad to have you in here. Glad to say goodbye to you. Josh, man, peace out to you. 3214, see you later, man. Gorilla, Peter, Josh, Mike, Josh, Dark Pro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.